MA English Literature, and topic 2 American Literature, and topic name of as it is a Allan Poe, and short name of E.A. Poe. As a American writer, critic, editor, he is considered as part of the American Romantic movement. The writer is well known for his stories of mysteries and Macbeth, one of the pioneers of the short story writers. Poe is generally considered the inventor of the detective fictional form of literature. His contribution in the field of science fiction is also remarkable. Poe and his works influenced literature in the United States and around the world, but most especially in the field of cosmology, the study of the origin, evolution, and the eventual fate of the universe, and cryptology, the practice of the study of techniques for secure communication in the presence of third parties. Impact of Poe appears throughout popular culture in literature, music, films, television. And second paragraph. And third paragraph, and lost conclusion and related to, and complete your topic related of E.A. Poe. And let us next related to E.A. Poe. First related to essay The Fall of the House of Usher. The Fall of the House of Usher is a Gothic short story by Edgar Allan Poe, an American writer of the 19th century who is well known for his detective and Gothic short stories. It is one of the three most remarkable stories of the writer, in which he makes awareness of the reader of his power of invention in the making of the original but terrible scenes of the Gothic tradition. The theme of the morality, madness, fear, friendship, burial, and most especially of horror and awe have made the story a piece of everlasting interest in the history of American short story. The writer has showed his genius in the creation of the scenes of terror and suspense and fear and abnormality. And second paragraph as related to as, and third paragraph, and fourth paragraph, and fifth paragraph, and lost conclusion. All over themes of Poe, The Fall of the House Usher, include death and morality, isolation and confinement, and ins- insanity and madness. The Gothic element of the story is remarkable. After the study of the piece, we are hardly aware of ourselves since we are deeply involved under the mysterious atmosphere of the story, which is full of terror, suspense, improbable, fear, and complete of the conclusion and the whole of the story, and any related to the questions in your topic of the fall of the house of the Usher, and to complete your answer all questions you put up your examination. And second topic, the Portland letter. The Portland letter, which is a stolen letter, is an outstanding between short story by Edgar Allan Poe, an American writer of the 19th century who is well known for his detective and gothic short story. It is third of the of his detective stories featuring the fictional C. Auguste Dupin. In this sequel to the murders in the Rue Morgue, Dupin recovers a stolen letter to foil a villain's plan, and the police attempt though investigations but come with nothing. Identifying with the criminal mind, Dupin discovers evidence so obvious that it had gone unnoticed. And second paragraph and third paragraph and fourth paragraph and complete and last conclusion and or complete of the topic. On the whole, despite all the discussion concerning the whereabouts of the letter, the Portland letter, the letter itself is merely a literary device around which Poe contossed a game of wits. The comments of the letter and its implications in the political sphere are not included. Significantly, when Dupin finally finds the letter, Minister has placed it carelessly. The manner of his hiding the letter is extremely relevant for the purposes of the story, but its inconsequential appearance reflects its relative importance in the story. And lost characters. The fifth characters in the story, the Portland letter. First, unprofessional Persian detective, and second, unnamed narrator, and third, minister, fourth, prefect of the police, and fifth, unnamed woman. And complete of the your topic, the Portland letter. And any problem and all complete of the topic, me ask in comment box. And thanks for watching.